right, so the last thing we're going to do with our sentence this week is we're going to imitate. Okay, so you're trying to make a compound sentence, and I'm kind of going to go with the same idea of what she wrote about, except I'm going to make it about me and my son. All right, so this is true, a true story here. Blood poured out of Ty's nose, comma, and I lunged for a towel to help stop it. He always has bloody noses. So blood poured out of Ty's nose, and I lunged for a towel to help stop it. All right, come up with a good compound sentence, at least a compound sentence. If you can, then try to model it kind of after the author.